Jerry from Texas City has a question about grout.
He's fixing to do some updates.
Fixing.
Jerry asks.
That's what they say up in New Hampshire. Fixing.
Yeah, we sure do. Can I take this road to Boston? Don't know why. Got enough roads already. Anyway, what type of tile grout, Tom, do I use for floor and backsplash tile? Is it a different kind of grout? And there's another question. And is there any difference between porcelain and ceramic as far as their durability is concerned?
Okay, there's a lot of different grouts now. You can get epoxy grouts. You can get, your thin set grouts. There's a lot of different ones. But the rule with grout is if it's less than 1/8 of an inch, use a non-sanded. If it's bigger than 1/8 of an inch, use a sanded grout. If they do it right, that's been around since the beginning of time, and it works fine. Is there a difference between the two tiles? Yes. Is it something that I think is overblown? Yes. Oh, you have to have porcelain. Not necessarily. Porcelain's very hard to work with. It's not as forgiving as ceramic, and ceramic tile's been around forever. If you get a good quality ceramic where the body and the surface matches in color, and you use it for especially a backsplash, which takes no beating at all, there's no reason, unless you just love the look of this, maybe you have a porcelain decorative tile with the other ceramics, and you're doing some
a trim piece in there.
Yeah, that's fine. But don't say I have to have porcelain or nothing. Don't put yourself in that position.
Okay, so ceramic or porcelain, no big deal.
For a backsplash,
and
especially.
You'd use the same grout on a backsplash or a floor. It depends more on the width of the gap. Okay.
Yeah, and remember, a backsplash is probably the one tile area that takes no beating at all. You wipe it down when you get some spaghetti sauce on it, and that's about it.
Yeah, unless
Charlie's cooking, and he has bourbon bread
or
stuff
it's in a Martin Scorsese film or something, and then it's a whole different thing.
Yeah,
all right,
that's kind of gross.
Yeah, do you have? Let's not be gross. Let's just wrap this up. You got a question? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form, and we'll answer it like these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel and click that bell. Your mission will be done, and we'll ring it when we post a new video.
Ding! Click that bell.